Hello guys, Ads Hero here. So I just want to show to you this result from our client because today is December 14 and kino-consolidate namin yung result namin for the whole year for this client, no? We started February for this brand na naging client namin. As you can see, January 2025, they got 1.4 million sales. Actually, this is good, no? But yung ad spend nila here is nasa 200,000. So with that ad spend, they got 5 to 7 ROAS. No? So then we came on February, that same ad spend became 2 million. So that's 10 ROAS. From 5 to 10, 5 to 7, naging 10 ROAS. Then we did some testing. As you can see in March, medyo bumaba siya. Tumaas ulit, bumaba ulit, hanggang June. So what we are doing here is we are adding some keywords. We are testing with what is the best targeting, no? And search keywords for our store, for the whole shop, and for each of our products. So, but when July came, it became an upward spiral. So what happened? July, from those figures, na-hit namin 2.6 million, almost 3. Then August came, yung inaakala na ghost month, yung pa yung naging pinakamalaking jump namin with our results. So from 2.6 times to siya guys, unimaginable. So naging 4.2 siya. Then August month, ano yun, no? Ghost month daw yan. So Burmas dumating, uh, we are at 4.6. Then October came. Guys, ang laki na naman ng talon niya. So, almost 7M siya. Then, last month, we are at 7.6 million. And for December, this last sprint for 2025, before 2025 ends, ano na kami, we will be hitting our first 8-figure sale in 1 month. So, that's 10 million. And year to date, result namin would be at 37.4 million for this client. So, like our promise, guys, we are promising month after month growth for your brand. And we are not just running ads for you. We are your growth partner for your brand. So, whatever, kahit ano siya, Facebook ads, Shopee ads, or Facebook ads. So, guys, if you have any more question, just let me know. Comment kayo sa comment section natin, PM kayo, maybe send kayo ng email. I'll do my best to reply sa inyo, guys. Um, so, let me also know kung ano yung mga next na content na gusto nyo para makapag-add up pa ako ng value sa inyo. Once again, guys, this is FM Ramento, your ads hero.